Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Cardano. Before we begin, this is your last chance to join our Telegram group for free because in just a few days, it becomes a paid group. But right now, you can still lock in lifetime access at zero cost. This is my gift to those of you supporting the channel early. Once the switch happens, new members will have to pay. The earlier you join, the cheaper it is, and your price always stays locked in as long as you remain in the group. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at this. A few days ago, I gave you auction. Boom, 310% up. Yesterday, I gave you peanut. Look at it today. 28% up. And it's not done yet, guys. We are waiting to see if the price action is going to bounce at this key level of support and then continue moving higher. We might see an even greater move out of peanut in the coming days. This group helps you scan the crypto market every day, so you don't have to guess which altcoins are about to move. It's perfect for experienced traders, but also for beginners trying to find their edge in a market full of thousands of coins. We are the fastest growing crypto community on YouTube, and you can still join for free. There is a link in the description below. Don't miss it. Okay, so this is the chart. We are looking at ADA over USDT 4-hour chart. As you see here, we have a triangle pattern going on. We have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. Price action got rejected here, another rejection here, another rejection, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. And also, we have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. Price action bounce here again, and we are currently testing this, guys. It looks like a buyer stepped in and pushed the price action higher, but we can still break below. Honestly, as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. We might see a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside. However, guys, I'm gonna tell you the truth. This pattern can potentially be a bearish continuation pattern because the price action entered the pattern from this upper left side. So it was on a downtrend, and then we saw some kind of a pause, and therefore we might be looking at a bearish continuation pattern. So there is a very high chance that the price action might break below and then continue the downtrend. Okay, I gave you targets for both a long play where the price action breaks to the upside, but also for a short play where the price action breaks to the downside. But I really think that this chart, this pattern, has a very high chance of breaking to the downside. So I am going to focus on a short position in this video. So I am waiting to see if the price action is going to bounce here, and we might see another move towards this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, or if the price action is going to break below. Now, if we see a breakout below this support trend line, you might want to consider opening a short position, of course. I know shorting is risky, but there is a safer way to trade this. Look at this. If the price action breaks below the triangle pattern, I suggest that you wait for the price action to break below this horizontal support that's located at 68 cents also. You might see a breakdown below this yellow trend line and this horizontal support, might see some kind of a bearish retest and a continuation move to the downside. The measured move from the breakout to this first target that I have here on the chart that's located at 63 cents, 0.6345. That's approximately an 8% move. Next target that I have here on the chart is located at 16. It's located at 58 cents, and that's a 16% move. And of course, you don't have to wait until the price action comes back all the way down here, guys. You can take profit somewhere in the middle, okay? That's how it works. You can open a short position and always make sure that you set up a stop loss. If you open a short position, you can set up a stop loss somewhere inside the triangle pattern just in case the price action fakes out and then decides to move back inside the triangle pattern. It happens a lot, guys. You need to be careful. You need to set up a stop loss so you can take a small loss and move on to the next trade. Okay, taking a loss, it's not going to hurt you. It's not going to kill your portfolio. It's in the game. You have to learn how to take a loss. Now, if we see a bounce here, and this is not a bearish continuation pattern, right? If we see a breakout to the upside after the price action bounces and breaks above this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance, I have these targets here for you. And then again, that's the same idea that we saw for the short position. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you can buy right here as close as you can to this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, trying to front run the breakout above the pattern. But I wouldn't suggest this in this case because we might be looking again at a bearish continuation pattern. This has a very high chance of breaking to the upside, and therefore the chances are against you. So a safer way to trade this when it comes to a bullish case scenario, when the price action breaks above the triangle pattern, would be to wait for the price action to do its thing and then watch for a breakout, but then watch for a breakout above this horizontal resistance that I have here on the chart that's located at 75 cents, right? Buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation, move to the upside. The first target after the breakout that I have here on the chart is located at 82 cents, 0.8211. That's an 8% move, approximately, 8 to 9%. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at 90 cents, 0.9048. And that's a measured move of 19% from the breakout. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups. Also, let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for ADA for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish? I really want to know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.